Potato harvest from the Blue Barrel. That's right. It's PAPATexas and 3 of my granddaughters. It's us. We're fixing to tip this thing over. You hang on and see what we got. We'll be right back after we get set up. Maddie, Aubrey, Haven. And Haven brought her tools. Yeah.
Hi.
We gotta get Haven some gloves. No, we're gonna give Haven your gloves. We're gonna give your gloves to her, and we're gonna get you new gloves because she gets the new stuff and we pass it down. That's how we work. Let's get in this potato barrel. Let's check them out. Let's check them out. Here we go. Everybody say, here we go. Here we go. All right, we're fixing to dump this. Last year we used a blue tarp. I ain't got time, it's getting dark. We're just gonna dump this thing on the ground and pull out the taters for you to see what we got. I got a playlist with a bunch of friends of mine showing how they do potatoes. Massachusetts Prepper has a 5 garden question tag. I gotta do that. I'll do it after I get back from Tybee Island, okay? I hope y'all can hear me. At least y'all can see this. Yeah, what are you doing over there? You scratching? Alright, we gonna dump this thing. I'm gonna go up there and dump it. Watch the dump. Hope it gets in the video. Here she goes. Boom. Just like that. Okay, get over to the side. Now we're just gonna do it this way. Now on this Blue Barrel, I also cut all these holes in the bottom for the water to drain. Let's see if we can outdo Calvin's corner. I haven't seen a tater yet. Have you?
It's probably all in the place.
Well, Dulcie had a dud. If you go to my potato playlist, you'll see the other people. I guess it was a dud. You know, a couple of years of doing this, me and Calvin are going to start being potato kings. But you know what? We're working together. We're learning from each other. That's what we do on YouTube. I don't think we got anything. We did better last year. Well,
oh my gosh.
that's one of my planters. You gotta be kidding me. All that work. There's nothing, folks. There's nothing in here.
You did good, though.
I'm trying to learn potatoes and corn. I've been doing it a couple years now. I'm gonna keep doing it. And those of y'all that, hey, even look over there. Those of y'all that are joining along, I appreciate it. Those of you that are doing the same thing and learning with me, I appreciate that too. I'm disappointed with this. I gotta think it through. Different taters next year. I'll try something else. So I'm with Dulcie, but mine's out of everybody that was trying it, mine's the worst. I didn't even get one.
Wow.
Sorry, it's Papa. PAPATexas. Subscribe. Hit that bell. If you hit that bell, you'll know when I leave a video.
No.
Have a great week. See ya. It's Papa. It's Papa. Yay! PAPATexas. See ya.
Make it up.